Hi, thanks for watching my video. Today I'm going to prove the derivative of product of two functions. Example, derivative of product of two functions. What will be the answer? Okay, so I'm going to show you here. Let's take u and v again. Let u and b be the two function of this will be with respect to x. Okay, and let's say y be their product. Okay, so y product means u into v. Okay, now from definition of derivative, we know derivative of y with respect to x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0. Okay, uh, here f of x plus delta x. Okay, but here y is u into v. So if you do that, u plus delta u into v plus delta v. Okay, minus uv f of x, this one, into delta x. So limit delta x tends to 0, and if you multiply uv, we will get uv plus u delta v plus v delta v plus delta x delta x, not delta x, delta u, sorry, delta u over delta x minus uv. Here this and this can get cancelled. Okay, now limit delta x tends to 0. Here all are positive, so from properties of limit let's substitute directly. Okay, u delta v over delta x, this one, first one, plus limit delta x tends to 0, v delta, what is this, delta u, it will be delta u. Okay, don't get, this will be u, not v, over delta x plus limit delta x tends to 0, delta u delta v over delta x, which is in here, in this u it doesn't this u in this in is not divided by this one. Okay, delta x, so in is treated as constant like that, but in is not constant. Okay, in is treated, but in here it does not contain delta x, so this can come out before the limit. So delta x tends to 0, delta v over delta x, plus here also v will come out, delta x tends to 0, delta u over delta x. Okay, and this one in is product again. Okay, product again, so I can do it like this, delta x. Okay, and the limit delta x tends to 0, delta v. Okay, which is u, this one we represent by derivative of v with respect to x plus this v derivative of u with respect to x plus, and this we represent derivative of x with respect to x u into here limit delta x tends to 0, delta v, here in is treated just like a constant, so it will be approximately what, 0. Okay, so derivative of u into v product, which is u delta v over delta x plus v delta u over delta x for this term 0. And you can learn here derivative of u is, let's say, first function, this second function. Okay, derivative of first function into second function is first function derivative of second function plus second function derivative of first function. So that's it.